park is just perfect this morning. Look at those flowers. So pretty. Wow, this is so beautiful. Oh no. No. Look at this mess. I wish this park wasn't so messy. It makes me really sad. Oh no, there's trash everywhere, near the trees, the bench, even in the water. This is terrible. I'm gonna make a difference. I'm the I've gotta help. Oh! Gloves, bag, box. Check. Let's go! Time to sort. Plastic, cans, and paper. This is easy.
Hey, Liam.
What are you doing?
Oh, hey. Just giving this old bench a little scrub. Pretty cool, right?
You see, this park belongs to all of us. And nature, well, nature needs our help. It's up to us to take care of it. Here's a spare one. Let's do this. Oh, right. Yeah, all right. Come on, everyone. Let's clean up the park together. Yay! We'll help too. See this paper? It goes in the blue bin. Okay, blue. And the plastic bottle? In the gray one. Gray. Great job, everyone. Let's do this. Here's a bag. Got it. Pass it on. Faster, everyone. Keep it moving. We're almost done. Great job, team. We did it. Let's be careful and keep our rivers safe and clean. Remember, protecting our water is up to all of us. Oh, this plastic. I'll get that for you. There we go. All better now. Safe travels, little birds. Wow, it's so clean. Oh, but wait. This spot is empty. It needs more life. Look at this. After we clean the park, we should plant new trees. We can make it beautiful again. Great job, everyone. Look at our clean park. Yeah, we did it. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful now. All right, time to get these little guys in the ground. Here we go! All right, everyone. This is where we'll plant the first sapling, and the next one goes right over there. Got it? Together we can help it grow. It's gonna be so big. Let's give it some water now. All right, team. Let's get these roots covered. We're almost done. It looks great. Pat it down carefully, friends. You're gonna grow big and strong. All right, just like that. Got it! We did it! Teamwork makes the dream work. Yeah, we're the best gardeners. Together we can protect nature. It looks beautiful, Liam. We did a great job. Wow, look at this. It's amazing. Teamwork really works. Look at them now. In a few years, this will be the most amazing park in the world. Oh, wow! I can see it. Me too. Wow, look at that. Whoa! They're really growing. We did it! Look at how beautiful it is. Wow! Everything's growing so fast. Let's all help protect our Earth together. We can clean up the trash and plant lots of beautiful trees.